Hello students, this is new chapter, that is continuity and differentiability. Okay, so in this chapter there is 1 mark 1 question, 2 mark 2 questions, 3 mark 2 questions, so 4 mark 1 question is there. So 4 mark is nothing but this is a part E question, that is 6 marks plus 4 mark, that is 10 mark question. Okay, and 5 mark 1 question. So total number of questions are 7 in this chapter, and total 20 marks are there in this chapter. So this is a very big chapter and containing 20 marks, students. Okay, so here students, the continuity and differentiability is the continued part of limits and derivative chapter we studied in first PUC. Okay, first of all we discuss continuity. So what is the continuity? Continuity is nothing but, in dictionary meaning, it is continuously going on. Okay, so what is that? Continuously going on. So we draw some standard functions or curves. So in mathematically we can define as a continuity in general meaning. So without lifting fan from the plane, without lifting fan from the plane of the paper, plane of this blackboard, without lifting fan from the plane of the paper. Okay, so we cannot lifting the fan of our blackboard or plane. So this is the meaning of continuity. Okay, so I can take some examples, that is some standard functions. So here let us take first one, that is f of x is equal to 1 and 2 if the value of x is less than or equal to 0, and if x is greater than 0. Okay, take then another example, second one I can take, it is f of x is equal to, that is also 1 and 2 if the value of x is equal to 0, if the value of x is not equal to 0. This is two examples. So there are students, in these two examples the value of x should be the value of x is lies between 0. Okay, if less than or equal to 0, that is the value of the function is equal to 1, and greater than 0 the value of the function is equal to 2. Okay, so first we draw graph of this function, then we know the concept of continuity. Okay, so here this is our graph, like this is x axis and y axis. So positive x axis, negative x axis, x dash, y dash, 0, and this is our y axis. So I can take like 1, 2 are the numbers. So f of x is nothing but y. So I can take this is 1. So this is our 2. Okay. So graph of this function should be, the value of x is less than or equal to 0. Then the function should be 1. That is this, the value of x is less than or equal to 0. Is clear that? And the function is equal to 2, then the value of x is greater than 0, strictly greater than 0. That is this should be open bracket. So this is greater than 0. Okay. So this is graph of the function y equal to f of x, that is this graph. Again draw this graph again. So this is also, I can take this as x, y, x dash, y dash, this is 0. Okay. Here also I can take 1 and 2. Okay. So here if x is equal to 0, the value of x should be equal to 0, then f of x should be 1. So only 1. Equal to 0, that is not less than or greater than. Equal to 0 is, that is function is equal to 1. Suppose if the value of x is not equal to 0, the x is not equal to 0 is nothing but either x is greater than 0 or x is less than 0. Then the graph, the line of this is should be, this is open bracket, because the value of x is not equal to 0. Either it is greater than 0 or it is less than 0. Is clear that? So this is the graph of this function f of x equal to, here students, compare this two graph. Here in this graph, without lifting our pen from the plane of the paper, this is our continuity definition. Here in this graph we lift the pen at the point x equal to 0. We lift we started as this point. So here we lift the pen, then again take continuity. So this is not a continuous graph. This is not a continuous graph, because in this graph we lift the pen. Again, same as in this graph also. First, we can take initial point as that. So that is again with lift the pen. Then again we start as a this function. So here that. So these are these two graphs. We lift the pen. So that is we break the chain. So this is not continuous function. So the 1 and 2 are not continuous function. Students, so recognize that. So what is continuity? Continuity is nothing but so continuously going on. So but in these two functions, our graph should be break. That is we lift the pen. So this is not a continuity. Is clear that? Okay. Students, again take another examples. That is third one. I can take f of x is equal to mod x function, modulus function, and that is equal to, already we know that, negative x if x is less than 0, positive x if x is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, and I can take another function, that is fourth one, f of x is equal to x square. This is our parabola function. So already we know that this is graph of this function. So we draw graph of these two functions. Then draw, this is our x axis, x dash like 0, y dash, y axis. Is clear that? So graph of this function should be, already we know that, then value of the x is less than 0, then the value of the function f of x is equal to negative values. So that is this graph. This is lying between 0, and if the value of the graph, if the x is greater than or equal to 0, then the value should be positive x. Positive x is nothing but we can take a positive number. So this is the graph of this function. Okay. So then again this function should be graph of this function. Already we know that this is x 0, x dash, y, y dash. So graph of this function should be, this is parabola along y axis. Already we know that parabola along y axis. So this is graph of this function. Okay. This is f of x is equal to x square graph. Okay. We put the value of x equal to 0, then f of x equal to 0. Value of put x equal to 1, then f of x should be 1, 2, 4, 3, 9 continuously. Okay. So same as here also we can put the value of x equal to -1, then -1, -2, -2, -3, -3, and so on going. So here students, observe these two graphs. So first observe the modulus function graph. Here we started, this is initial point, then drawing the graph we cannot lift without lifting pen from the plane of this blackboard. This is initial point, so I can start as like this here without lifting pen from the paper, plane of the paper. Is it clear? So that's why this is a continuous function. This is, what is that? This is continuous function. Is clear that? And in this graph also, here students, here also I can start, this is a initial point, so this is final point here. Here in this also we cannot lift without lifting the pen from this plane of the paper. So these two graphs are continuous. Clear that students? So what I can conclude, that continuity is nothing but, so in the plane of the paper, we cannot without lifting pen or pencil from this paper. This is continuous function. Is clear that? Suppose we will lift the pen, then that is discontinuous. Is clear that? These are the standard sum 4 examples. Clear that students? So write on this graphs. Students, then we conclude the definition of this continuity is, suppose f is a real valued function on the subset of real number. F is a real valued function on the subset of real number, and C is the point in the domain of the function f. Then f is continuous at the particular point C if limit of f of x as x tends to C is equal to f of C. Is clear that? So this is limit function, this is constant function. Clear that? So f is a real valued function and C is the point in the domain of the function f. then the function f is continuous at the particular point C if limit of f of x as x tends to c is equal to f of c. That is, the limit function is equal to constant function. Then function should be continuous. I can take one example. So already previous we can take example, that is example f of x is equal to 1 to if x is equal to 0 if x is not equal to 0. Is clear that? So this is our constant function, this is our limit function. Is clear that? So constant function should be f of 1. So f of 0, the function can be defined at x equal to 0. Equal to 0 is nothing but this is a constant function. So f of x that is nothing but f of 0 should be 1. Then limit of the function f of x should be limit of the function f of x as x tends to 0. Limit of the function f of x as x tends to 0. Then that is equal to limit of x tends to 0. What is our f of x? X is not equal to 0, that is 2. That is equal to 2. Here the constant function f of 0 is not equal to limit function. Clear that? The constant function, the value of constant function is 1, the value of limit function is 2. 1 is not equal to 2. So this is not continuous function at the particular point x is equal to 0. Clear that, students? So suppose f is continuous is nothing but I can take another example, that is f of x is equal to x square plus 2 at x is equal to particular point 1. In this example, the function can be defined at x equal to 1. That is, f of 1 is equal to, what is that? 1 square plus 2 is equal to 3. The value of constant function f of 1 is equal to 3. And the limit function, limit of f of x should be, that is, x square plus 2 as x tends to 1. As x tends to 1, that is equal to limit of x tends to 1. So apply the limit, that is 1 square is 1 square plus 2, that is equal to 3. Here see that the constant function is also 3 and the value of limit function is also 3. Here the limit function is equal to constant function. Then this function should be continuous at the particular point x is equal to 1. Clear that, students? So this is the definition of continuity. Is clear that, students? So another definition, that is for LHL and RHL. So limit of x tends to c minus, this is LHL function, f of x is equal to limit of x tends to c plus f of x. So this is LHL, left hand limit, this is RHL. So suppose left hand limit is equal to right hand limit, then function should be continuous at the particular point x equal to c. X equal to c. What is the definition of this function? So the left hand limit of the function is equal to right hand limit of the function at the particular point x equal to c. Then f of x should be continuous at the particular point x is equal to c. Students, clear that? So let us take example of this function, that is f of x equal to, already we solved this example, that is mod x. Mod x is nothing but negative x if x is less than or equal to 0 and positive x if x is greater than or equal to 0. So here according to the LHL RHL, so this is left hand limit, this is right hand limit. Okay, so I can solve by shortly directly. So LHL, that is equal to limit of x tends to x lies between 0 minus, this indicates the left hand limit, f of x should be minus x, that is equal to minus 0, that is nothing but 0. And your right hand limit should be, RHL should be limit of x tends to 0 plus, that is also your function should be x, that is equal to 0. Here left hand limit and right hand limit are coincide. That is, left hand limit and right hand limit are equal. Thus, the function f of x equal to modulus function is said to be continuous function. Is clear that? So students, this is the definition of the continuity function. The very easy. What is that? First one definition is the limit function f of x is equal to the constant function. Suppose the limit function equal to constant function, the function is said to be continuous at the particular point, given point, and in LHL RHL, so left hand limit is equal to right hand limit at the particular point C, then function should be continuous at that particular point. Clear that? Students, note these two definitions, and we come for examples regarding some basic examples of definitions. So here I can take first example that is, check the continuity of the function. Check the continuity of the function. Check the continuity of the functions So first one, check the continuity of the function. First one, f of x is equal to 2x plus 3 at x equal to 1. And second one, another example, f of x is equal to x square at x equal to 0. X square at x equal to 0. Here in these two examples, what we will do that? Check the continuity of the functions. Check the continuity of the functions. First one, f of x is equal to 2x plus 3 at x equal to 1, and f of x equal to x square at x equal to 0. Okay. In these two examples, I solve one example and one for you people. Okay. So here in this function, let the function. So in this function, this answer should be let the function f is defined at x equal to particular point 1. The function f is defined at x equal to 1. That is, f of 1 is equal to, what is the value of f of 1? F of x equal to 2x plus 3. F of 1 is nothing but 2 into 1 plus 3 is equal to 5. This is the value of constant function. And the limit function at x equal to 1 is, what is that? Limit of x tends to 1 f of x, that is equal to limit of x tends to 1. What is your f of x? The function should be 2x plus 3. So this value should be, again we apply the limit, that is 2 into 1 plus 3 is equal to 5. Is clear that? So here the constant function, what is that? The constant function f of 1 is equal to the limit function, limit as x tends to 1 f of x. Students, here the constant function is equal to limit function. The value of the constant function is also 5 and the value of the limit function is also 5. Thus, the function is continuous at the particular point x equal to 1. Thus, the function is, f is continuous at x is equal to particular point 1. Okay, students, this is the way to solve the example. Clear that? So this is also same example. So apply same process. So this is your work, students. Clear that? First, what we do, this is f of x equal to x square at the particular point x is equal to 0. So same process, that is, first we define the constant function, find the value of constant function, then find the value of limit function, then compare. Constant function equal to limit function, then function should be continuous, otherwise the function is discontinuous. Is clear that? Okay. So students, this is also an example, that is, show that the function f is given by f of x is equal to x cube plus 3 if the value of x is not equal to 0, 1 if x is equal to 0. Is not continuous at x equal to 0. What we have to show that? So this function is not continuous at x equal to 0. This is the first definition type example, that is limit function is equal to constant function. Here limit function is not equal to constant function, then function should be not continuous. Okay. So the solution of this example, the function f is defined at x is equal to 0. The function x is defined at x is equal to 0. The function is defined at x equal to 0 is f of 0 is equal to f of 0 at x equal to 0. Equal to 0 is nothing but the value of the f of x equal to 1. So f of 0 should be 1. It's clear that this is constant function. The function f is defined at x equal to 0. Defined at x equal to 0 is f of 0 should be 1. This is constant function, and the limit of polynomial function, that is limit of x tends to 0 f of x, that is equal to limit of x tends to 0. What is your f of x? That is your polynomial function x cube plus 3, that is equal to 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. The value of the limit function is 3. Thus the constant function f of 1 is not is equal to limit of x tends to 0 f of x. Here in this function, the constant function value is 1 and the limit function value is 3. Thus the constant function f of 1 is not, the constant function f of 0 is not is equal to the limit function f of x. Is clear that? Thus the function is not continuous. Thus f is not continuous. F is not continuous at the particular point x is equal to 0. This is the showing of this example. The constant function 1, the limit function is polynomial function. The constant function is not is equal to the limit function. Thus the function is not continuous at that particular point only. Is clear that? Note on this example, students. Okay. So students, discuss the continuity of f of x equal to modulus function at the particular point x equal to 0. Okay. Check continuity of this example. This is for you people, because so already we discussed this example. Is clear that? So very simple. This is f of x equal to mod x can be defined as negative x if x is less than or equal to 0, positive x if x is greater than or equal to 0. So we take LHL of this function and RHL of this function. Suppose LHL is equal to RHL, then function should be continuous. Otherwise the function should be discontinuous, friends. So try this example yourself. Okay. So students, the next example is discuss the continuity of the constant function. Constant function, that is f of x is equal to k. K is some constant. Okay. So here there is no particular point in this example. So previous example, that is discuss the continuity of the function at the particular point. So that type of examples are different, and in this example discuss the continuity of the constant function. This is general example. So in general example we can take at the particular point as a generally, that is C. Is clear that? Here the function, same process, the function f is defined, at x equal to C. We can take a general point. What is that? We can take, here there is no particular point, so that's why we take a general point as a x equal to C. So the function f is defined at x equal to C is f of C is equal to k. Put x equal to C, so f of C equal to, there is no value of x, that is k. So this is constant function, and the limit function at x equal to C is, what is our limit function? Limit of f of x as x tends to our particular general point is C. Is clear that? So that is equal to limit of x tends to c, what is your f of x should be k. Okay, so x tends to c is nothing but this is also k. So okay, here the constant function f of c is equal to limit of f of x tend as x tends to c, those are equal. Here the constant function equal to limit function, thus the constant function is continuous generally. Thus f is continuous. F is continuous function generally. So graph of this function should be, already we know that. So this is our x-axis, y dash 0, x dash, this is our y-axis. So we can take constant function is nothing but we can take some constant value, that is I can take as a this 3. Okay, so graph of this function should be like this. So here take x equal to 1, 2, x equal to -1, x equal to 2. So what is the definition of constant function? Where the domain of the constant function is a set of real number, negative values as well as positive values, but its range should be sum of the constant. So I can take this function as f of x is equal to 3. This is constant function, k should be 3. Here graph of this function should be that is. Okay, so here from the general definition, without lifting, this is initial point, this is final point. So without lifting fan from the plane of the paper, clear that? Here there is no lifting the fan, without lifting fan from the paper. So this is the graph of this function. So this is obviously continuous function. Is clear that, students? So again another standard function is there. So remember that, students, every constant function is continuous. This is standard result. Every constant function is continuous. Every constant function is continuous. Then we can take identity function. So discuss the continuity of identity function. Discuss the continuity of identity function. Discuss the continuity of identity function, that is f of x equal to x. What is our identity function? Already we know that identity function, its domain is also set of real number and its range is also set of real number. Okay, so that is also same example. We can take a general point. So the function f is defined. The function f is defined at x equal to general point c. Here there is no general point. That's why we take x equal to c is f of c is equal to c. This is constant function, and the limit function at the particular point x equal to c. C is a general point, that is limit of x tends to c, f of x equal to limit of x tends to c. What is your f of x? F of x should be your function. F of x is x, that is equal to x tends to c is nothing but c. Here the value of constant function is also c and the limit function is also c. Here what is that? F of c, constant function, is equal to limit of f of x as x tends to c. Here the constant function equal to limit function. Thus f is continuous. Thus f is continuous function. F is continuous function. Clear that? Very simple example. These are the general. Suppose we'll give the particular point, then apply same. Instead of c, we can take some particular point. So here there is no particular point, then we can take generally. Okay. So generally all functions are obviously continuous function. So graph of this function, already we know that. So this is x dash, y dash 0. The graph of continuous identity function should be like this. Like this. Is clear that? This is negative region, -1, -2, positive region 1, 2. So this is graph of y is equal to f of x equal to x. This is identity functions. Here also without lifting pen from the paper of the plane. This is also continuous function. Here we cannot lift the pen. Is clear that? This is a very important concept, students. The continuity of the function. Generally, these are the general example. Okay. Then